Massachusetts Air National Guardsman Jack Teixeira will plead guilty in federal court Monday to charges he faces after prosecutors say he leaked classified military documents online. The motion filed in court today was for a Rule 11 or change of plea hearing.
We don't know if it's a quote-unquote plea deal. It may not be. It may simply be that Mr. Teixeira has sized up the evidence and said, gee whiz, I can't beat this case.
Teixeira worked at Otis Air National Guard Base in Sandwich. Sky 5 was overhead as Teixeira was arrested at his mother's home in North Dighton last spring. He's been in custody ever since. No answer at his parents' homes tonight when we went for comment. Teixeira is facing 6 counts of willful retention and transmission of national defense information and could face probation up to 10 years in prison for each count.
And I don't think he'll be looking at anything close to the maximum penalty that the court could assess here.
WCVB legal analyst Vince Damore says a federal judge will decide whether or not to accept the change of plea on Monday and then ultimately determine the sentence at a later date based on a variety of factors, including taking responsibility early on in the legal process.
He'll weigh the magnitude of the offense, the importance of sending a deterrent message with the sentence. He also is going to look at what other defendants in similar situations have received. Looks like 4 to 5 years in that range, but that'll be up to the judge.
Now, 15 members of the military received disciplinary or administrative action as a result of Teixeira's arrest in a supplemental internal investigation. No comment tonight from his attorney or the U.S. Attorney's Office, but we are expecting to hear more when he's in court on Monday.